Teacher Bucknick?
Yes, this is Teacher Bucknick.
Yes, hi. I wanted to see if you can come over and babysit Kara for me because I have to go to the supermarket.
Oh, yes. Yes, I can wash the teeth for you.
Yes, perfect. Thank you for coming over.
Yeah, I'll be right there.
Okay, I'll see you shortly.
I'll be right there. Okay.
Bye.
Okay. Bye there.
Hey, Teacher Bucknick, thanks for coming at such short notice.
I'm here to wash the teeth for you.
The baby's over there in the car seat, and I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
1 hour later.
Oh man, I'm glad Teacher Bucknick was able to watch the baby for me because I have just been so super busy. What are you doing?
You know Bucknick likes to feed the kids.